Uh-huh.
Monday is fine. The one you gave me two, I saved it though.
Oh,
I
nice.
put it everywhere, so they will be eating tomorrow. They
Okay.
stay overnight, so Sunday they go in bed.
Okay.
Thank you for Monday I will bring it. Okay,
Yep, yep, yep.
delivery is done. The rack will be coming 11:30.
Okay.
Okay, Doritos.
Yeah, just ask somebody there. Who's gonna sign that one?
Delivery. No way, I'm gonna get somebody. I'm just
Yeah. So what time are you coming back? 11?
11:30
Okay.
around collection. Let's see.
Mm. Kain. Mm.
What happened? Oh, oh.
Pata.
Completed? Not
Collagen.
completed. Let's see. Wi-Fi not equal to 30. No collection.
Chicken. Mm.
Now it's coming.
It's good.
Yeah, before you say completed without I scan it. Before it says,
Mm.
one easy. Second VN. And the third one is ET. Nope. Okay, got that one. Okay,
Mm.
okay, got all. Now, get the
Mm.
tomatoes on that
Pata.
well.
Mm.
There, 11:30.
Okay. See you.
All right. Rachel. Yummy. Mommy. Chino Bill. And laptop.
Mm. 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 Cilantro rice. Mm. Mm-hmm. Ay, gutom lang, ano? Mm. Mm. Mm.
Hey,
Hey!
what's up?
Tired! Huh.
What are you doing?
I'm tired. I'm hungry.
You're recording yourself?
Mm-hmm. Say hi. Want some?
No. Thank you.
Yeah. I cook it.
Oh,
Adobo.
gosh.
Get some.
I'm so full, Roy.
Are you sure?
Maybe later. Thank you.
Get, go.
No, later.
Come on, go.
Okay, thank you.
I cook it. Adobo.
No, you did. Okay, yes, I'll come back later.
Yeah.
I had a big breakfast. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Mm. Tama ko. Sobra. Mm-hmm. Laging gutom. Mm. That's it. Mm. Ah, thank you, Lord.
We're done breaking, Roy.
Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, for the food. Ah. Ah. Eat some adobo shit.
Yeah, thank you, Roy.
Ah.